I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this Mercedes-Benz CLA class. This car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Now inside the car there's half leather interior, you get sat-nav, the radio features CD player and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous owners. It's got the automatic 1.6 litre petrol engine that gives you 120 horsepower. The car's done under 29,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.